Alright, so he's finally done. There are still a few imperfections on him, but I can't really do nothing much about him. Like, there's these parts where the one time, like, kind of jab screwdriver, this part was lifted. Chips here. With this, there wasn't much I could do, but it doesn't really affect them. But overall, he's, like, clean. He has a lot of scratches still, but he's clean. Everything on him has been fixed. So now, here he is.
Self-diagnostic initiated. I am Wowie Robotics Model RSV2.
Alright.
Vision shut down. Sonic sensors shut down.
So he has wire protectors on both arms now, even though the pins are screwed up, just so it doesn't get worse. Eyes have been fixed. All 4 gears have been fixed. The shoulder had 2 strip gears. Torso had 1, and of course there's 1 in the neck. Right, and here he is dancing.
Understood. I hope nobody saw that.
There we go.